Hello everyone, myself Vishal Himagradi and I am from Shri Nana Sahib Kulkarni Junior College, Bodhikachata, and I am going to explain how pendulum works, means the principle of pendulums. So we know that the definition of a pendulum. Pendulum is the heavy mass suspended from weightless inextensible string. This is a pendulum. See, this is the point of mass and this is the string which is inextensible uniform string. Okay, so I am going to explain the formula of pendulum, which is time period of pendulum is 2 pi under root L upon G. So how it's work and how practically work. See, this is pendulums. These are the time is directly proportional to length. Time directly proportional to square root of length means if length is more, then it take time more. So in this experiment we can practically see the length of these two pendulums are different. If I make the length of this pendulum is small, see, this is a small length. If I oscillate this 3, now see the oscillation. See, oscillation of this pendulum is fast, this is medium and this is slow. It means taking time or it take time. Small is medium and it's fast. So the time period of pendulum, we know the definition is time taken to complete one oscillation. That oscillation means this, from this to this. This is the oscillation. So we can say this time period is small because the length is small. This time is medium because length is medium, and here the time is large because length is large. So we can easily explain that the time period of pendulum, the time period is directly proportional to length. It's not depend on the mass. If the mass are different, but pendulums time period are changed because of the length. Okay. Next topic is energy conversion. So we know that the universal energy law, which is energy neither be created nor be destroyed. It converts one form to another. So total universal energy is constant. See here one model, here motor and here LED. If I apply muscular energy on this motor that converts energy into mechanical energy, and that mechanical energy to this motor bulb get glow. Means muscular energy to mechanical energy and the mechanical energy to light energy or light energy. That all conversion of energy we can explain easily with this model. And next is a torque, or we can say the balance. If I balance this particular apparatus on this finger, it not be balanced because of this shape. This is like a question mark shape. It's very difficult or it's impossible to balance on this tip. But if I apply this belt on this, I can balance easily. It's because of this torque. Torque means the force apply on this particular apparatus, and this force converted into the torque, and this torque we know the formula of torque is equal to Rf. Torque is equal to Rf. So R means that radius. This is the radius and the force applied on it, and this particular device or the particular apparatus balance on my finger easily. So we can teach this type of the concept using this very simple apparatus to student.